Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we are going to unbox this Oppo A9 2020, and here's a picture of the phone here. This is the 8GB RAM with 128GB storage here. Let's see if there's anything on the box here. Just the Oppo logo here, nothing here. And here are some of the features, including the 48 megapixel ultra wide quad camera, and it uses Snapdragon 665, and it has a feature called Game Boost 2.0. One of the highlights of this phone is the very large battery here, which is 5000, and it also has dual speaker with Dolby Atmos. Yep, here are some of the bands that it supports. Yep, that's it. So without further ado, let's unbox this phone. It's very tight actually. Yep, nothing here, and we are greeted with a white box. Inside, what do we have in here? A phone case. So it comes pre-included with a phone case. It's plastic and it has some kind of texture inside, and SIM pin, some manuals, and some warranties. Let's leave this aside first, and here's the phone itself, but we'll just take this out first and see what's inside. So here's the charger here, which is 10 watt, and then it also comes with the USB Type-C cable here, white in color, and also the earphones with headphone jack, and this one looks like Apple's one. Set that aside first. Now let's go to the phone itself. So as you can see, all of the highlights of the feature. Let's just take this out first. Set this aside. So here's the phone itself, very large. It has a 6.5-inch screen with a teardrop design here, and it actually comes pre-applied with a screen protector, which is nice. And then it's actually all plastic built. The fingerprint reader is at the back here. This is actually plastic. Here is also plastic. Here are the buttons, the volume rockers, quite clicky. Here's the power button on the right. Nothing much. And as you can see, it supports USB-C and a speaker here, mic here, and then a headphone jack. And as the box says, it actually has a dual firing speaker, one here, down here, and then the headphone here also acts as a speaker when you play the music. So there's actually a stereo music, and the screen is 6.5 inch, covered by the Corning Gorilla 3. After all, this is a budget phone which is less than 1,000 ringgit here in Malaysia, and then it's not full HD, but the color is decent. Now here's the camera here. We have 4 cameras here. The 48 megapixels camera here, the 8 megapixels ultra wide here, and 2 more cameras here and here. I believe one of them is just a depth sensor, and the other one could be a macro sensor. Yep, so this is an all plastic built phone with, well, considering the price, it is budget after all, and it's actually quite heavy because of the 5000 battery inside, which is huge. And with the 10 watt charger, I guess it will take some time to charge, but it's nice to see that it's using USB-C. Now without further ado, let's just turn this phone on. So it's powered by the Android. I believe this is on Android 10, upgradable in the future, I would say. And while we wait for the startup, I would say the feel in the hand is okay. It's actually quite large, but I like the screen to body ratio here, as you will see later. Oh, here's the password. So I'm in now, and as you can see, I got the font set up already. Yep. So as you can see, the color of the screen is actually not bad, and then the response is not that bad either. Now let me try and test the fingerprint reader speed for you. I have to change my hand. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. So yeah, it's very fast, and I like the font itself. Even though it's not full HD, but when you look at the screen, you can't tell it at first glance because the screen is actually very decent with decent color reproduction here. So yeah, that's about it. That's the unboxing of the Oppo A9 2020 here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.